In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link on FigJam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn text into a clickable hyperlink and how to paste a link straight onto your board for quick sharing. Start by opening your browser, heading to figma.com, and logging into your account. Once you're on the home screen, choose FigJam, or open one of your recent FigJam files if you already have a board you're working on. This gets you into the canvas where all the linking magic happens. Inside your FigJam board, click on the text or section where you want to add a link. This might be a text box, a sticky note, or a shape that contains text. As soon as you select it, you'll see a small set of tools appear near your selection. Look for the link icon, which looks like a small chain. Click that icon, then paste or type your URL into the field that appears. Press enter or return to confirm. You'll notice the text changes to indicate it's linked, often with an underline or a subtle color change, depending on your settings. That's it. Your text is now a hyperlink that anyone can click during collaboration or presentation. If you want an even faster method, you can add a link directly to the canvas. Click on a blank area of your board and press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste your link. FigJam will drop it in as a clickable link element, often with a neat preview. You can move it around, position it next to related notes, or place it inside a section to keep things organized. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Include the full URL, starting with https:// to ensure FigJam recognizes it right away. If your link doesn't register, try repasting with the full prefix. To keep your board clean, align link cards and group them near the ideas they support so collaborators can find them instantly. If you need to change a hyperlink later, simply reselect the text, click the chain icon again, and update the URL. FigJam autosaves so your changes are captured as you go. To recap in simple terms, log in at figma.com, open FigJam or a recent board, select the text you want to link, click the chain icon, and enter your URL. Or click an empty space and paste your link directly to drop it onto the canvas. That's all you need to confidently add links in FigJam.